Final video to fix Rockstar Games Launcher error code 1023, because this error stops you from opening your games and ruins your gaming session. Are you trying to launch Rockstar Games Launcher and seeing error 1023 instead of the app starting? This problem happens when launcher files get corrupted, network connections fail, or Windows firewall and antivirus block access. Sometimes interrupted updates or outdated launcher versions also trigger this error without warning. Many people search YouTube or social media for a fix, but most solutions look long, confusing, and full of technical steps that feel hard to follow. That only wastes time and adds frustration. On Rexist, I keep fixes simple and safe, and today I will share a secret easy trick that solves error 1023 fast. This trick works because it repairs core launcher files and network settings instead of changing random options. You do not need advanced skills, risky commands, or extra tools. You just apply one smart method that works perfectly on Windows 10 and 11. After this, Rockstar Games Launcher opens normally, games launch without errors, and updates install smoothly. Many viewers on Rexist already fixed error 1023 using this exact trick. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload it to help you fix Rockstar Games Launcher error code 1023 for good.